Hello, my name is Sean Ragain. I'm the Sales and Service Manager here at Law Valve of Texas. Today we're here at the Law Valve Sight Glass Rebuild and Test Station to talk about the disassembly, inspection, and assembly process for the ERL sight glass, both the SGMRD 8-inch round sight glass and the ERL 6x12 SGM-1. When a new sight glass arrives at Law Valve to be rebuilt, one of the first things we do is an inspection of all the non-wearing items for potential damage. On the ERL SGMRD 8-inch round sight glass, one of the items could include the lid pin, the flange, the retainer, and the latch knob. On the ERL SGM-1 rectangular sight glass, those items could include the lid assembly, the flange, and the latch assembly. After the disassembly, the non-wearing components of the SGM-1 and the SGMRD are all sent off to sandblast. After sandblast, it's time for reassembly. ERL owns Law Valve and ensures that every sight glass is rebuilt to OEM specifications. Included in the ERL SGMRD sight glass rebuild kit, the gaskets, O-rings, fasteners, bushing, handle assembly, and wiper assemblies. Included in the ERL SGM-1 repair kit includes gaskets, wiper assembly, handle assembly, bushings, stop nut, and fasteners. What separates ERL and Law Valve from its competitors is the ERL engineering, OEM factory rebuild kits for wearing components, ERL custom designed sight glass test stand, same as the OEM.
Hello, my name is BJ Harris. I am the Quality Control Manager here at Law Valve of Texas. I am here to introduce you to the ERL sight glass test station. The testing process starts with the technician mounting the sight glass to ERL's proprietary test stand. The technician's initials and serial number of the sight glass is entered and logged. During this testing process, the sight glass is subjected to both a bubble test and 11 psi pressure for 2 minutes where the pressure drop cannot exceed 2%, guaranteeing no leaks are present after the rebuild process. Additionally, we simulate the use of the sight glass in the field, manipulating the wiper arm under stress. After each sight glass has passed testing, a test report providing the pressure curve and pressure loss during testing is printed and emailed to the client. At ERL Law Valve of Texas, we know every successful sight glass rebuild starts with our technicians following OEM documented rebuild procedures. These procedures include step-by-step instructions along with visual aids to assist the technician through the rebuild process. Finally, it is important to note that this is the same test stand used at ERL. It ensures us that every sight glass we rebuild meets OEM specifications.
To learn more about these products or any other ERL Law Valve products, check us out online.